So how do you juggle your work life with your family life?
It's tough, man. You know, like I aspire to do big things, right? There's a lot of real estate investment companies here in Jacksonville, Florida, that do similar things that I do. They do things that are very closely related to what I do here in Jacksonville. They have tough time growing. They have a tough time scaling just because there's no blueprint of how it's been done before. Um, and for some reason, like I said, I just have a knack for figuring shit out, right? So it seems like we're getting some really great tread. And I feel like I have kind of a moral responsibility to do what it is that I'm capable of doing because other people can't do it. And if I'm not doing that, I'm really not living up to my potential. So it really takes a sacrifice. It takes a big sacrifice, and it does affect family. So what I try my best to do is kind of a family business integration. So I'm not neglecting my family and my kids. You know, I drop them off at school in the morning. You know, sometimes they have to come into the office, or if I have to chip in to help out with a responsibility that someone else has in the office, like an after hours appointment or weekend appointment, you know, I might do that on the way of the family going to do something. I'm like, you know, we can do this, but I have to drop by this property. Just like now, like we were flooded with appointments today, and I was a little late getting this podcast. And one of the things I tried to squeeze in was a contract because my field guy had an appointment, and then my HR manager was actually backing up one of his appointments already. So we do have backups in place, but there was really no backup to the backup other than sometimes the boss just got to run out and cover shit, you know? So I try my best to just work out a work life, family life integration. And then I am starting to build in non-negotiables as well. Like, you know, Sundays with the family, or not getting to the office too early during the week so I can work with Marisol, which is my wife, to get the kids ready in the morning, spend some time with them, drop them off at school and things like that.